So this is the condensing unit, and this is the electric service disconnect box, and it's not accessible. It should be sealed on 3 sides like the electric meter should have been. Okay. And then what we have here is that the foundation pad is supposed to keep the condensing unit at least 3 inches off the ground, which it's not doing. Over here we've got oil on the refrigerant lines, so it looks like we might have a leak or something. Something's been serviced, I don't know. And then these Schrader valves, look that up in the dictionary, but the refrigerant service port valve caps should have been anti-theft. What else have we got going on here? We can read the manufacturers here, and it says that we got a 4-ton unit, and it says it is 2 years old. It says that we use an R22 refrigerant. So it's only 2 years old. I don't know why we have the oil here, but at 2 years, this foam is not acceptable. And of course it doesn't go all the way. It's not acceptable. There's a new foam. Since 2015, this foam should have been different. And this unit's only 2 years old. And it's not level either. It's not level. So what did we learn? We learned that the condensing unit is not level. We learned that it doesn't sit on its pad right. We learned that it doesn't have 3 inches of clearance. We learned that we do not have anti-theft service port caps. We learned that we use the wrong kind of refrigerant. We learned that the electric service disconnect box is not accessible, and we learned that it's not sealed on 3 sides. That's what we learned. When the refrigerant's 410A, we learned that. That's the good stuff. That's the good stuff, so nothing to go into about that.